Same thing in all the other indices this morning. So the Nasdaq, it did come down and hit its 786 fib back. So that's the one that kind of tells me I really would rather not see another low, but I have the same problem with the structure up in the Nasdaq. It hasn't taken out this high here. I've got an ABC up and we're coming back deep. So exactly the same stance in the Nasdaq, and same thing in the YM as well. I've got this A, B, this B came below the 618, but less so, fractionally compared to the ES, but still below it. And then the structure of the move back up, excuse me, let's get the right pointer, so far is only in 3 waves. So it's either the one in a diagonal and we're getting a 2 back, or we can still come down and hit this 764 that we didn't hit, and it hasn't taken out the top of what would be the 2 in the diagonal. So it's exactly the same stance in all of the 3 major US indices this morning.